Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ko-Fi digital downloads for recurring income, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Ko-Fi digital downloads for recurring income, first, visit the Ko-Fi website and create an account if you don't have one. Log into your Ko-Fi account to access the dashboard. Navigate to the shop section on the left sidebar. Click on digital downloads to start the setup process. Choose add a new product to create your first digital download. Enter a clear and enticing title for your product. Provide a detailed description that highlights the value and benefits of your digital download. Upload the digital file you want to sell. Set a price that reflects the quality and uniqueness of your content. To offer consistent income, consider enabling the recurring payment option. Set the subscription amount and frequency for your recurring income model. Choose whether you want to allow users to pay what they want or set a fixed price. Once you have configured your settings, preview your digital download to ensure everything looks good. Click Save to publish your product on your Ko-Fi shop. Promote your digital download through social media channels and your existing audience. Engage with your followers and encourage them to explore your offerings. Make adjustments as needed based on customer feedback and performance insights. Continue to create and upload more digital downloads to diversify your income streams. Focus on building a community around your content for sustainable growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.